Yan, so we're almost there. So we're already here at Toronto Pearson International Airport. We'll be having some Asian lunch, chicken teriyaki, and evian. Ang ganda at ang laki ng airport nila dito. Uy, ang social naman ng pinto. Automatic. Sana ganito rin sa Pinas. So right now ay nakasakay kami sa Uber and we are heading straight to our hotel. 1, 2, 3.
20 minutes later.
So nandito na kami sa Hilton Hotel. So 3 nights kami dito sa Hilton Hotel, Mississauga. So right now ay i-room tour ko kayo. So merong coffee maker, may coffee, may tea, may lagayan ng ice, mga baso at kung ano-ano pa. So buksan naman natin ng washroom. Ay, hindi pala ito washroom, wardrobe pala. So merong iron, may vault. And also may pakabayo pa and hangers. So ito na yung totoong CR. Ito yung washroom nila. Ito na yung sink. Merong madaming towels. So yan, may tissue, toilet bowl, and a shower. Merong painting din. And ito na yung bathtub nila with shower curtains. Medyo maliit yung washroom na ito. Merong soap, mga lotion, body wash, shampoo, kung ano-ano pa. May face towel. And ito na yung bedroom. So, double king-size bed yung nakuha namin. 2 rooms yung nabook namin dito sa Hilton and ito yung room namin. Merong desk lamp na LED, mga cables, charger station niya. May TV rin. So, merong lagayan dito na malaki. And ito yung isa pang lagayan at merong travel guide to Toronto. So tignan naman natin yung view from my window. May pinto pala dito and ang hirap buksan. Ayan, ang lamig. So ito yung view sa aming terrace. Buti dito nakakalabas sa terrace. Sa ibang hotel sa Asia hindi. Window lang. Dito merong veranda. So kahit second floor lang kami, maganda naman yung view from this veranda.
Moments later.
Ano yung tsura ng room niyo, Rafa?
The same. Flipped over like the other opposite.
What can you say about this room?
Good. Wait, is this pipe? I need a lock. Is this locked?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I love this room. Better. Oh, I didn't notice. Look. Oh. La la la. Your place is better than ours. Why? Even if it's the same as the bed.
Okay, how can I turn it on?
This is my desk.
It's already on, but I can't talk
I
yet.
know. Have this room.
thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!